Hey guys, Tamara here with Yogi Gardens, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I harvest my coriander. So coriander is the actual name of this plant, but a lot of you all may know of it as cilantro. Cilantro is actually the name given to the leaves and the stem of the coriander plant, and also usually I refer to it as just cilantro, but it is called coriander, and then the seeds are also referred to as just coriander. I did a video a few weeks ago about using cilantro as a companion plant for your tomatoes. It keeps a lot of the pesky bugs away, such as aphids. It keeps them completely away from your tomato plants, but cilantro does not, or coriander, does not last near as long as I would like it to. It often bolts, which means it flowers and goes to seed, and it does that pretty soon into the weather warming up through the summer. Now, if you live in a climate where temperatures are fairly cooler, you can get this to not bolt near as quick. It'll actually thrive in cooler temperatures, but as soon as that weather gets hot, it is going to flower and go to seed. So after your coriander plant or cilantro goes to seed, you want to wait until it turns like a tan or brown color. It's when it actually dries out. After it flowers, it'll turn kind of green, and that's when the first stage of it going to seed is, but the seeds are still green and you don't want to harvest it at this time. You want to wait, like I said, until it fully dries out and becomes this kind of like tan brown color. And after that, you simply want to just remove them. It's very easy. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna kind of roll the seeds in your fingers. They honestly come off really simply, really easy. And that's really all you do. And just keep doing this. It's kind of a time-consuming process, but this is how you're gonna have the seasoning coriander. So if you don't wanna go to the store and buy coriander, you can just harvest it yourself if you're growing cilantro. And also, I don't usually use coriander cooking. I know a lot of people do, but I mostly just use these seeds for, you know, the next couple years so that I don't have to continue to buy packets of cilantro seeds or coriander seeds. So I grow cilantro or coriander for many reasons, not just as a companion plant for my tomatoes or for my other plants, but cilantro has so many health benefits. You know, it aids in digestion, it's good for giving a lot of antioxidants to your body, or vitamin K, provides a lot of gut health too. Cilantro can also be awesome for detoxing. It actually aids the body in getting rid of heavy metals. So just a lot of different uses for cilantro, and it's one of my favorite herbs to grow, and I highly recommend growing it if you don't already. So gathering the seeds is super simple. This is a super easy plant to grow, and once you gather the seeds, you're gonna have so much cilantro. And you know, you can, and what I have often done is just allow this to reseed itself. But I kind of wanted to show you all how to gather the seeds if you want. And you know, obviously you can use this as a spice to flavor your food. And after I gather all of the seeds from this plant, I will actually just pull it up and then compost it. And once I do compost this, I will probably plant some more cilantro seeds. Even though it is warm weather and it's not going to last as long, I will still get about 4 to 6 weeks out of it. And I'm not too worried about it only lasting 4 to 6 weeks because I am using it as a companion plant. But I also think that because it is so close to my tomato plants, it is getting a little bit of shade, which will also help it to live a little bit longer without bolting. All right guys, so that's really about it. It's super simple to grow this plant. It has amazing benefits. Highly recommend growing it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thank you all so much for watching.